Hey cousins, welcome back to my channel. This is the set that we're going for today. As I told y'all, that marble nail got me in a chokehold. I don't have a drink for today, but I have a picture for y'all. So today's drink is a Malibu Sunset. And yeah, let's just jump right into the video. So I've already prepped my nails. I did not use IBD gel this time. I just buffed the shine off of the top of the nail. And then, of course, I'm going in and creating my marble nail. First, I'm using a clear base gel polish. Then I am going in with purple. All of these colors are from Savvyland. Next, I'm going in with the color apricot. And I'm also going to add shiny gold, and then I'm also going to add shiny purple. Then I'm going to take my dotting tool and mix those all together. Y'all already know how it goes when it comes to these marble nails. Get into it, and it's so fun. Like, I'm addicted. I'm addicted, and I just can't get enough. Y'all know that TikTok? I know y'all heard that TikTok sound. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. Once it's been cured, I'm going to go ahead and place a top coat on, and I'm going to do a full cure for 1 minute. And boom, this is how it's looking after it's been cured. Next, we're going to go ahead and start on our index finger. This is going to be a plain Jane finger. So I'm just using the apricot. I am going to do 2 coats of the apricot as well as a glossy top coat. And I'm going to cure for 30 seconds in between each layer. And then once I put the top coat on, I'll go ahead and cure for a full minute.
I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it.
Alright, so this is what the set is looking like so far. I know, just give it a minute. Trust the process. Let's go ahead and jump right on into this ombre nail. So I am putting the apricot and purple on a mixing palette because I want to have control over how the polish applies. I can't really control it with the brush that the gel polish comes in. Again, these polishes are from Savvyland. So what I'm doing is I am placing a thin coat of the apricot at the bottom and a thin coat of the purple at the top to go ahead and start building my ombre look. Once I have those placed, I'm going to do something real ghetto, but I had to, I got to do different things to see what works or whatever. And so I used the end of a buffing block to kind of create a ombre. I don't really think it did that much for me, but I guess it kind of gave me like a base to start with, so to speak, and it worked. So I'm just going to continue building the layers on this particular nail. I think I did like 3 or 4 layers, and you guys will get to see how I build the color as well as create the ombre look. So I'll go ahead and let y'all watch. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section.
But got it, just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We've been together, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is then what makes love exception. So why She keep that plump, that natural beauty, beauty. Yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front till you see it from the back, back till you see it back, yeah, back till you see it from the back, back till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front till you see it from the back, yeah. You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like it keep on wanting more. You ask me, baby, where you at, huh? Tryna squeeze into my true religion, that no. Celebrate, don't wanna say you like it. I don't buy it with a say you like it. He said the body unbelievable. Can't trust a big but then a Gemini. I keep it juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty. She keep that plump. That natural beauty.
So once I have that completed, since this is going to be a plain Jane nail, I'm going to go ahead and add a little razzle dazzle to the nail. I am taking shiny gold and I am putting some base coat in it to kind of dilute the gold, because the gold base will make the purple not look right. So I had to dilute that a little bit to make it more iridescent. And it worked out pretty well. So I'm just going to take that same brush that I used to create my ombre to paint over the gold glitter.
Wipe the paint away. You see, and it's tighter than a virgin, like Madonna say. I love when you give it, and I love when you don't. Hit me with the threesome, and sometimes you won't. Tell me don't with no bitch, you know. You got it, yeah, you got it, baby. Bust it on the floor.
I keep it juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty. She keep that plump. That natural beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back till you see it back, yeah, back till you see it from the back till you see it from the.
And boom, here is the nail. I know y'all can't really tell, but hopefully when I do the try on, y'all be able to see. But here is the set so far. See, it's coming together. You got to trust the process, baby. So for my ring finger and my pinky finger, I am doing plain Jane nails. I just did one coat of the purple because for some reason this color is actually pretty thick and you only need one coat. And then of course I topped it off with a glossy top coat. The top coat is from Saviland as well.
If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back till you see it back, yeah, back till you see it from the back till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.
Boom, here's how the set is looking so far. As you can see, it looks great like this, plain on its own, but I need a little razzle dazzle, girl. I need a little something. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by sifting through my gems to see which gem I want to use. Once I got that figured out, I'm going to go ahead and place my rhinestone glue gel down and then, of course, create my little design. I'm going to cure my big gem for 30 seconds. And then once I get the little gems on there, I'll go ahead and cure it for a full 60 seconds.
Stop making a big deal out of the little things, 'cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you.
until late, I think about you. And on my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little.
All right, so once you get done placing your rhinestones, you always want to make sure you wipe it down with some alcohol, because you are picking it up with a wax pen, and that can kind of dull out your gems a little bit. So just be sure to wipe that off with some alcohol. It'll bring the shine right back. So next we're going to jump right into my pinky. I didn't really know what to do with it. But I have these little, I don't even know what they call, these little things. I got it off of Amazon. It came in a whole little kit. And I'm just going to use the gold hearts on my pinky. And then I'll show y'all the final look. And then we'll get right into the try on.
If you go to church, if she ain't got a butt, fucking get a toy. Yeah, you just wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop up on this one, take you to Batman.
All right, this is the finished look. It's cute. It's very simple, very different. I don't know. My right hand came out different than my left hand. My right hand, I'm always just trying some stuff to try to like get an idea of what I want to do with the set. So my right hand always slightly differs from my left hand anytime I do a set. But this is cute. So in my try on, I am trying on my right hand instead of my left hand, because girl, I'm constantly making sets. I gotta get this content out before I leave. So excuse that small little discrepancy. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section, and I will see y'all in the next one. Thank y'all for watching and subscribing. Peace out.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult.